Hello everyone. Today I am getting my family room ready for Christmas. Now I'm going to do my end tables and things in there and put touches of Christmas. I'm going to try to touch every area in this room. Now I'm going to stop talking and let you watch me do it. Very simple, but I'm getting there. Okay, so let's jump in.
all the lights hanging up, you can see from the street. But if you're not coming over, you can light up my dreams. Every snowfall reminds me to call, 'cause I know if you're not here, then it's not Christmas at all. But this year, oh, I believe you're coming back to me. I'll be your angel when the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around. Small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas if you're coming around. If you're coming around, oh, oh. If you're coming around. If you're coming around. Feel like Christmas every day of the year, but I can't feel it by myself. Only works if you're here. And a little bit of magic and a little faith can make every storm that's ever come just fade away. Now every front door reminds me of you, all decorated, anticipating good news. I've got one Christmas wish, top of my Christmas list, to be your angel when the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around. Small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas if you're coming around. If you're coming around, oh, oh. If you're coming around. If you're coming around. I don't want much this time of year. I know everyone wants to feel less alone, but just like putting on a winter coat, you could always melt away the bitter cold. I'll be your angel when the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around. Small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas. I'll be your angel when the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around. Small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas if you're coming around. If you're coming around, oh, oh. If you're coming around. If you're coming around.
Tried to keep the room all at a flow where everything kind of goes with each other. So I do like my reindeer and I like my snowmen. I have my collection of snowmen. And so I tried to keep it simple. As you guys know, I'm getting the walking back in check, but I still have a little problems with it. But I did this year, as you see on the chairs this side of the room. As you see over here, I did add the red pillows to the seats where my husband and I normally sit at. And on the table I did do the snowman like I did the other table. So I did touch every area in this room this time. Small touches of Christmas to get my Christmas right. And don't forget to check out my fireplace clap. because I really want you guys to check out my sister's new song, her new single. Her remake of Go Tell It on the Mountain with the upbeat tempo. She has a beautiful voice and I know you guys would enjoy it. All her information for her song is down in the description on the Fireplace Mantle collaboration video. So please go check her out. She is very talented. I'm so proud of her and what she's accomplished. So I'm gonna give you one overall look of the room. Let me know what you think of my Christmas family room decor. Simple Christmas. Down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments. And I will see you in the next episode.